The Pula Film Festival is the world's oldest national film festival, boasting record attendance thanks to its huge auditorium in the ancient Roman arena. With a modest yearly crop of films that predominantly rely on state financing, to continue growing, Croatian film needs its national festival and its wonderful audience more than ever. This is why we decided that the Pula Film Festival campaign dedicate the festival's 60th birthday precisely to its audience. We wanted to celebrate this festival's birthday together with friends, blowing out the candles and offering best wishes to all. We also wanted to preserve this special moment forever and to share it beyond borders. And at the birthday party, our wish box was open to absolutely everyone. All of the wishes were posted on the Pula Film Festival website, where visitors could choose the best among them. Sharing them with people of goodwill worldwide. The festival's wish box traveled throughout Croatia. From March until July, it visited 5 Croatian cities and was set up in 15 locations. More than 10,000 people were photographed, which means that enough festival supporters passed through the 2-square-meter wish box to fill the arena twice over. Wishes were made by many film lovers, young and old, many famous people, and some funny faces. The wishes have been forever immortalized in the promotional materials of the festival's 60th anniversary. With a budget of less than €8,000, the Make-A-Wish project gave Croats nationwide an opportunity to celebrate their national film festival's birthday and contribute to the achievement of some respectable numbers. In order to come true, wishes should never be spoken out loud. However, in our case, pictures are worth 1,000 words. We would like to thank the audience that filled the arena to its fullest capacity, and to all of the people photographed for supporting their film festival. You've made our wish come true.